Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Weight Watchers subscription, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Weight Watchers subscription, begin by visiting the official Weight Watchers website. Log into your account using your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the option labeled Manage Subscription or Billing and click on it. You should see details about your current subscription plan. Locate the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts provided on the screen. You may be asked for a reason for your cancellation, select an appropriate option or provide feedback. Review any details regarding your cancellation, including potential billing statements. Confirm your cancellation request. After confirming, you should receive a cancellation confirmation via email. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation to ensure your subscription has been successfully canceled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Weight Watchers customer support for assistance. They can help resolve any problems and answer any remaining questions. Once your subscription is canceled, you will no longer be billed for future services. Be sure to check your account periodically to confirm that your cancellation has been processed. This concludes the cancellation process for your Weight Watchers subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.